Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Ahmad Javed. In my previous video, we have to discuss about the no code. In today's video is all about connection to the before topic. So if anybody watches this video without watching the previous video, first of all go to the previous video and watching that video and come here for a clear shape. So without any delay, we'll going to the today's topic. Today we have to discuss about the low code and the major differences between the no code and low code. So coming to the point. First of all, what is low code? A low code is a programming approach that creates a basic applicational programs or software applications or websites or any websites with using a minimal amount of the code, and it provides the visual interfaces tools with coding skills. Yes, I think we have to know about the low coding. Yes, and what does provided by the low code? Low code provides a drag and drop tools, visual interfaces with coding skills, and that can create a more software applications and websites with a professional developers. Yes, I think you have to know some aware of the low code. Yes or no? Okay, I think most of the members are develop this low code platform for a simple and large applicational programs. Yes, and secondly, what is the major differences between the low code and the no code? Yes, certainly here break down into some parts of differences between the low code and the no code. In no code platforms requires without no coding. That means in no code platforms creates applicational softwares or websites without the need for any coding skills or traditional programming. But in low coding platforms create applications or any websites with using a small minimum amount of the code. Yes, and low code platforms mainly provides for the aims to the professional developers, and no code platforms are mainly developed for the non-technical users whose persons are don't know about the coding skills. That no code platforms gives a more tools for developing websites or any websites or applicational software. Yes, and no code platforms are faster when compared to the low coding platforms and the high coding platforms. Yes, and low coding platforms are faster than the high coding platforms. In no coding platforms provides visual interfaces tools and drag and drop tools for creating any applications. In low code platforms provides visual interfaces tools with coding for creating any websites. Yes, and in this summary, no code platforms are mainly useful for non-technical users with no coding required, and that offers visual interfaces tools and drag and drop functionalities for creating applicational softwares. In low coding platforms, it requires some minimal amount of the code for creating any applicational softwares or websites. It is mainly aimed for the professional developers. Yes, it is mainly developed for the professional developers. Okay, this is the major differences between the low code and the no code. I think we have to know some aware of the low code and the no code, and this video is very useful to you because these topics are a 4.0 technologies in this world, and whenever we practice these two topics and we develop applicational softwares and websites without using the high coding skills, we use in no code. For example, if you take a no code, in this we have to develop applicational softwares or any websites without using any no coding skills or traditional programs. For example, if you take a low coding platforms, in these platforms we create applicational softwares or websites with using a minimal amount of the code. Yes, so these two platforms provides many interfaces and functionalities for developing a web applications or websites. Yes, so I think this video is very important to your life. Okay, so share this video to your family members and friends for knowing about the no code and the low code. Yes, if you have any further doubts or queries about these two topics, then put on the comment section. I really very happy to clarify your doubts or queries. Yes, thank you everyone for watching my video. If anybody watches my YouTube channel as a first time, then subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more videos on the 4.0 technologies, and stay tuned for another videos. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.